Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to prove that the following equation is true. A minus b cubed equals to a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. As a first step, I need to factor the left side of the equation. A minus b cubed equals to a minus b multiplied by a minus b squared. A minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is the formula of square of binomial difference, which I also reviewed in another video, and I'm going to include a link in the description of this video to that video if you'd like to check it out. So let's expand our factor a minus b squared and write it down. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. As a next step, we need to open parentheses and multiply a by a squared, then a by negative 2ab, then a by b squared, and then similarly negative b to a squared, negative 2ab, and b squared. We get a cubed minus 2a squared b plus ab squared. Then negative b multiplied by a squared gives negative ba squared, which also can be written as a squared b. That's how I'm going to write it down here. Negative a squared b. Then we need to multiply negative b by negative 2ab. It gives positive 2ab squared. And lastly, negative b by b squared gives negative b cubed. In this expression, we have similar terms. Similar terms are the ones that have common factors. Negative 2a squared b and negative a squared b are similar terms because they have the common factors a squared b. Therefore, they can be added. The same way, ab squared and 2ab squared are similar terms because they have the common factor ab squared. Therefore, we can also add them. This way, we get a cubed, negative 2a squared b, and negative a squared b gives negative 3a squared b. ab squared plus 2ab squared gives 3ab squared. And then what's left is minus b cubed. In other words, we prove that a minus b cubed equals to a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. This is another widely used formula in algebra. The left side of it is also called the factored form of this formula, factor form. The right side is the extended form of this formula. This formula can also be written in a slightly different format by taking a common factor from the middle two terms, 3a squared b and 3ab squared, and putting it in front of parentheses. So, what do I mean? This other form of the right side of this equation can be written as 3ab is the common factor from these two terms, put in front of parentheses. It'll give us a minus b in parentheses minus b cubed. This is just another form of the same formula, which is also widely used and maybe easier to memorize